This video demonstrates how to safely remove the drum from a Maytag Bravos XL dryer, including MEDX6 and MEDX5 series from the early 2010s. We'll cover key steps: preparation, belt removal using the belt-off method, roller access, and drum extraction. Safety is paramount. Unplug the dryer and ground it before starting. First, unplug the dryer to ensure safety. Move it away from the wall to access the rear panel. Gather your tools: putty knife, screwdriver set, and a drum support. Wear safety gloves. Ensure the dryer is level to prevent accidental movement during disassembly. Electrical safety is crucial. Capacitors can hold charges. Step 2 focuses on belt removal using the belt-off method. Begin by removing the rear panel, which is secured by screws. Remove the rear panel by unscrewing it. This exposes the internal components, including the drive belt. Once the panel is removed, the drive belt becomes visible. It's wrapped around the motor pulley and idler pulley. Carefully loop the belt off both the motor pulley and the idler pulley to release tension. Finally, slide the belt completely off the drum. The belt-off method minimizes tension and reduces the risk of injury. To access the drum rollers, first tilt the dryer back to remove the front panel. The panel is secured by retaining clips and 4 screws along the inside lip of the door opening. Once the front panel is removed, you can access both the front and rear drum rollers. These rollers support the drum during rotation. Remove the retaining clips or rings that hold the rollers in place. Be careful not to forget the front bearing retainer to avoid scratching the drum. With the clips removed, slide the rollers out carefully. This step allows full access to the drum for removal or repair. To extend the lifespan of the rollers, apply WD-40 Specialist Silicone Lubricant or other high-temperature grease. This reduces noise and prevents wear. With the belt and rollers detached, you're now ready to remove the drum from the Maytag Bravos XL dryer. Carefully lift the drum out by supporting it from below to prevent any imbalance or damage. This may require 2 people for stability, as the drum is heavy and awkward to handle alone. The drum weighs around 20 to 30 pounds and has an awkward shape that can strain your back if not handled properly. Support the drum during removal to prevent damage to the tub or bearings. Use a drum support tool or wooden block under the drum for added safety. Be mindful of the drum's weight to avoid back strain. Always bend at the knees and lift with your legs, not your back. Reassembly follows the reverse order of disassembly. Focus on lubricating rollers, aligning the belt on pulleys, and securely reattaching panels. Start by lubricating the drum rollers with high-temperature grease, such as WD-40 Specialist Silicone Lubricant. This reduces friction, extends lifespan, and minimizes noise. Carefully align and install the drive belt onto the motor pulley, idler pulley, and drum. Proper alignment prevents slippage and ensures smooth rotation. Securely reattach the front and rear panels, ensuring clips snap into place and screws are tightened. Double-check that all components are correctly positioned before testing. Remember, reassembly is the exact reverse of disassembly. Always refer to the original steps and test the dryer after reassembly to confirm proper operation. Avoiding common mistakes during Maytag Bravos XL dryer drum removal can prevent costly damage and ensure safety. One common mistake is forgetting to release the front bearing retainer before removing the drum. This oversight can cause scratches on the drum surface, leading to further wear and potential failure. Always discharge capacitors using a multimeter before working on the dryer. Failing to do this can result in dangerous electric shocks, as capacitors can hold charges even when unplugged. During reassembly, always double-check that the drive belt is properly aligned on the motor pulley and idler pulley. Misalignment can cause noise, vibration, and premature wear of components. Ignoring these common mistakes can result in additional damage to the dryer and expensive repair costs. Proper attention to these details ensures safe and effective maintenance.